I'm Maurice Opetu, the Deputy General Secretary, Kenya National Union of Nurses and Midwives. Today we are here as the leadership of the Nurses Union to, in the strongest terms, condemn and denounce the heinous attack, the barbarism that was meted on the nurses of Siaya yesterday. It is a black day and a dark day for Siaya nurses and Kenyan nurses. Yes. Any harm, any abuse to any nurse in Kenya, in Siaya, is an abuse and harm to the healthcare of this nation, yes, to the healthcare of the world. Yes. And therefore we come here to stand in solidarity with the nurses of Siaya, yes, the leadership of the nurses of Siaya, yes, the leadership of the health workers of Siaya, that the governor of Siaya must come to account and apologize in public, yes, to the nurses and the healthcare workers for the act of barbarism. The attack we saw yesterday was not just an ordinary attack. It was organized. Yes. It was coordinated. Yes. It was so much executed in a professional way. And we saw a county officer distributing batons and rungus to goons to attack professionals who are just there exercising their rights as anchored in the law. Article 37 of the Constitution of Kenya gives the young nurses who are Kenyan citizens the right to picket, the right to demonstrate, and the right to petition. Yes. We were only going to petition the governor on the wrongs that have been meted on Siaya nurses. Yes. We sympathized with the governor when he was away. When the whole country, the nurses were on strike, I sat with the county officials to negotiate and deliberate on matters which were on the table. And we really sympathize
of Kenya, and I'm here on my capacity and on behalf of the National Executive Council of the National Nurses Association of Kenya and the nurses of Kenya. We are here in solidarity with the nurses of Siaya. Nurses of Siaya, mko? Mpo? Mpo? We are here to tell the world. We are here to be together with the nurses of Siaya and to tell everyone and to tell the county government of Siaya that the world is watching. The world is watching. Yes. And governor's office of Siaya County is a crime.
Officials from the national office to condemn the act that happened yesterday, where goons were unleashed on our nurses who were peacefully demonstrating. Yesterday, while we were approaching the governor's compound, goons were unleashed on us by people who are well known and who are residing at the compound of the governor's office. Our members sustained injuries, as you can see, some of them we are having here. Our fellow sustained a fracture of the right hand, and our sister here also got some injuries. We have some of them, around 2, who are hospitalized, and a good number of about 20 who are seen and discharged home. We want to condemn such a barbaric act that was done by the people who are being paid by taxpayers' money. We have decided as Siaya nurses, we shall remain resolute in our determination, and we have said that this is now the beginning of our strike. The action that was taken yesterday
that what happened yesterday was unfair to our nurses, and we have to condemn it. Demonstration is allowed in the Constitution, and every person has a right to demonstrate. The nurses are doing the demonstration as their right, and we as the county government, it's our role to make sure that we invite them and see or hear what they are saying. So I just call upon any person that was engaged in that criminal activity, that action should be taken against him. And we want to know categorically who sponsored the goons, and even the goons that did those things should actually be taken, action should be taken against them so that we can see what actually is happening. We cannot allow goons to...
Secretary General of Siaya PSV Union Organization, what you want to say is this. We want to condemn what happened yesterday, whereby nurses who are striking, some road youths attacked them. We want to say that if some of our members got involved there, we shall take action with an immediate effect.
Kwa majina naitwa John Ololeni, mimi ni coordinator wa Siaya PSV Union. Sasa leo tuko hapa na kikundi chetu wote ikiwa tunalalamika chenye ilifanyika jana ya nurses walikuwa wako strike, vile walikuwa wanatafuta vile wanaweza kula nyumbani na watoto wao. Tuliona vibaya sana kama wafanyikazi wengine wetu walikuwa kwa hiyo kikundi jana wa kupigana na sisters, na tunasema hiyo ni hatua mbaya walichukua. Sisi kama watu wa PSV tutachukua hatua wetu na polisi na wale wa concern officers ili tuwashike na tutafute hao mahali popote wapo. Ikiwa umeenda wapi ama hii Kenya ni kidogo, tutawatafuta mpaka tutawapata. Tumeshukuru sana kwa wale wa sisters, waendelee tu na hiyo mgomo yao hadi watapata yenye wanataka.
Obiero, one, I want to condemn what happened yesterday when nurses were striking, fighting for their rights. Some of rogue youths, and they call themselves that they are working with us in PSV sector. We want to condemn that what happened yesterday, we didn't know and we are not aware of it. Anyone, whoever, who saw, did anything, will carry his own cross. And we want to take legal action either with the police officers, and we apologize to nurses that we were not aware of that scenario yesterday. Thank you, and we are with you, and we accept our apologies. Thank you.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. For the union makes us strong.
So you have the best leadership that will that we have to ensure security.